It's been really interesting coming to Stratford Chef School during COVID. I think in normal circumstances, we certainly wouldn't be wearing masks and goggles, and we wouldn't have face shields, and there wouldn't be so much focus on distancing. But the benefit of all these rules here in the school is that we are all figuring it out together. And I think having been educated in this time will make us stronger employees. It's going really well. Level 2 is a lot busier for me than level 1, less focused on academics and a lot more time in the kitchen. I've actually gone home tired a couple of days. The highlight for me is definitely the time spent in the kitchen with the chef instructors. We are on a rotation, and so every week we get to work with new chefs, and it's just wonderful. Everyone has their own way in the kitchen, and I truly feel we're learning from the best. You know, when things are too easy, you're not learning as much as you can as when they're difficult. And my husband often said to my children that there's not much growth in failure. Well, I guess I've reworded that, and there's not much growth unless there's a bit of adversity. And certainly in all industries, and especially ours, COVID has presented adversity.